Hey friends, how are you today? I hope you're having a good day so far. Today's video is really just a short one. I'm going to unbox a little something I got at Tiffany. It's actually been a while. It's been a while since I went to Tiffany. I went there when I was in Dallas a few weeks ago, and this has just been kind of sitting here. I haven't unboxed it. I wanted to wait for you guys, and I just haven't had time to do it. There's only a tad bit of a backstory to this, and I think I'll tell you after I'm finished the reason why I got it. So here it is, and this is the gorgeous little blue bag, and inside you can see there. I just got a call, so I'm not sure where I left off, but here we go. I have the receipt here and the little blue box, which I love. I have a lot of these. I feel like I've asked you this before, but if y'all want to see an updated Tiffany collection video, let me know. It might take me a while because I have my stuff like all over the place since I'm redoing my room, but I do have quite a few pieces. I did a video, it's been years ago that I did it. So some things have kind of left my collection and some things have come into my collection. So I'd like to show you if you want to see it. But here we go. And I haven't, like I said, I haven't opened it. So this is a true unboxing. The little blue pouch. We'll see what is inside. Hopefully it hasn't tarnished because it's been so long since I bought it. And here it is. So this is the heart charm bracelet. I think it's just called the charm bracelet, if I'm not mistaken. I will definitely link it below if I can find it. There it is, and so you can see the return to Tiffany. Probably need to turn it around. I can't remember what size this is, but he said this was the perfect size. It should have a little bit of a space there so it can kind of move. Now, I said I had a story, and this is my little story. So I have another charm bracelet just like this one, except it doesn't have this charm on it. So this charm comes on this bracelet. I don't know if you can still get one, but there used to be one that was a bracelet just like this, but with just a clasp, a lobster claw clasp on it, not one of these toggle clasps on it. And I got that, and that's my charm bracelet. I have 7, 8, 9 charms. I honestly don't remember how many charms I have on it, but it's getting to the point that it's really heavy. The Tiffany charms are heavy, like especially one of them is like an apple. I got it at, when I was in New York, I got it at the flagship Tiffany store. So the apple is pretty heavy, and several of the other ones are pretty heavy. I do have another heart. It's not the flat one like this. It's not quite this big. It's not flat. It's thicker, and that one's really heavy. So it's really cumbersome almost to wear. When I teach, you can tell, when I teach, I use my hands a lot. And so it was just, I don't know, I just felt it was really cumbersome, like I said. So my plan was to get another bracelet. So this is my other bracelet. And I think what I'm gonna do is almost have like theme bracelets, kind of like people do with Pandora. They have a theme bracelet, right? I'll have one that's like a travel one and one that's like just a regular one that just charms that I bought that I've liked. When I'm traveling, I try to get a charm in that place if there is a Tiffany. So like I said, I got the one in New York. I got the apple. I got one when I was in San Francisco for my husband's and my honeymoon. And I got one in London when we went to London about almost 2 years ago. I feel like I've gotten one other one, but I don't remember. But I was gonna have that one be my travel one, and then the other one just be regular charms that I've just purchased. So that was my plan, and it is gonna cost me. So if you want to, like if you buy a charm and a bracelet and you just wanna get it put on there, they don't charge you anything to do that. But if you want to move charms, you know, or move them around when it's already on your bracelet, they do charge you, I don't even remember, maybe $20 per charm to do it. So it's not going to be like super cheap or free for me to do it, unfortunately. But it is something that I'm going to have, I'm going to keep. I'm not going to sell these pieces. And hopefully one day they'll be passed down to my daughter, my grandkids, whatever. That'll be something that I will definitely keep. I do like the jingle jangle of it. I will have my watch here. I wear my watch on my left hand. I like it. I just need to turn it around, but I like it. But anyway, that's my Tiffany unboxing. I hope you liked it. If you're wondering what my hair is, this is Mackenzie by Estetica in the color R46, I believe. I actually still have the tag on it back there, but I think this is really pretty. Such a pretty color. Isn't that a pretty color? And I had to pin it back because it was kind of flopping in my face, but yeah, I really like this. This is a very, almost like a, for me, like a special occasion type of wig, but it's pretty. But again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.